Right, so this video is about a trigger idea I was trying to think of. Now, most of you have probably seen this type of trap before, and it's a mouse trap. And what you do is you set up a glass like that with a coin on its side. Then when the mouse, and the more important thing is on the inside you put peanut butter or some sort of bait up here on the inside. So the bottom of the glass here has some sort of bait. Your mouse goes in and under, starts trying to lick that bait up the top there. When it does, it sets that down and the mouse is caught. So I wondered whether you could set up maybe something similar for a primitive cage trap, possibly. So we'll give it a go and see what happens. So we've got a stacked stick cage. I wondered whether maybe you could use a disc of wood. Now, I tried this like this, so just like normal, but you know, that'd take a fair bit to knock that down, so that's no good. So I did think of it this way, hoping it would roll out. You see that? Hoping it would roll out like that, but that didn't seem to work very well either. So the idea I thought of was, instead of standing it up on these, standing it up on the corner, right on the very edge, as far as you can get it. Now, obviously you're only going to catch something small because it only leaves a small gap underneath. And what you would have to do is you would have to tie some bait, I think, up here in the top of the cage, tie it up tight, so you're hoping the animal would come under. Actually, there's a fair bit of space, so you know, there's enough for me to get my hand under. So, you know, a rat size animal or a bird of that size would possibly get underneath there. So instead of on one of the ends, you know, on one of the flat pieces, it's on the very corner. You'd hope the animal would go in, pull at the bait, and that goes off relatively easily. You know, it's just as easy as some other traps, you know, proper triggers that I've seen set up. You know, sometimes you can make a figure 4. If you make it a certain way, you've got to literally knock that to make that come off. So yeah, so I thought that maybe right in the very corner. It's only on just a little bit. It already wants to roll when you've done it like that. I'll just tap it on the top. Yeah, it's got potential, you know. You've still got to cut that. I wonder whether you could maybe use a stone, a round stone or something. So as you can see, just right on the very corner, bait tied up the top there. It would go off quite easily, but you're only going to catch small animals. But I suppose you might be able to do it with a dead full weight. Maybe it'd be better if the dead full weight was the back end of it only was on a small part, or maybe sat on a stick or something, you know, so it wanted to wobble, if you know what I mean. Then it may work, but you know, worth a try, something to look at. So a disc trigger like the old mouse traps. Right, cheers for watching, I'll see you later.